So in last question, I directly write Z11 is equal to A by C. How you are going to prove that Z11 is equal to A by C means, here Z11 which are the terms are there, V1 is there, here also V1 is there, I1 is there, there will be no I1, I2 is there, here also I2 is there, but minus I2. Okay, instead of V2, from this equation I can write it in terms of I1, means it will be CV2 is equal to I1 plus DI2. I1 plus DI2. Put this equation in V1 equation. So V1 is equal to C will come to this denominator. So A into I1 by C plus DI2 into C. It will be whole bracket, right? V2, the whole term here should be. It will be B minus I2. So here it will be V1 A into I1 by C. These two are I2 terms. I2 terms I don't want, because when I calculated Z11, that time I1 I don't want, because here I2 is equal to 0. I2 is equal to 0 means these two term will be 0. Now compare this. V1 will be V1. I1 will be I1. In case of Z11, here it will be A by C. So answer will be A by C. A by C means it will be A by 4 by 3 into C is equal to Z11. Z11 is equal to A by C. If you remove, it will be 4 by 3. 4 by 3 will come to this side. A by C is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, we will go to next question. So this is the only difficult part in this paper, and another all the things are on the only basics. You need to study 2-port and little bit signals and system. But signals is not important in case of JE, but they mention 2 questions on it. Okay, 6th question. Which of the following is a 2-terminal variable resistor? 2-terminal variable resistor. They given option as rheostat, potentiometer, thermodynamizer, none of these. We know that potentiometer will be having 3 terminal. Potentiometer will be having 3 terminal. In case of rheostat, if you connect this terminal and if you connect this terminal, there will be slide here. It will act as a variable resistor. So answer will be rheostat. Answer will be rheostat. So next, 7th one. What is the induced voltage across a stationary conductor inside in a stationary magnetic field? So stationary conductor, stationary magnetic field. The EMF induced will be E is equal to N d phi by dt. Either flux has to change or E is equal to BLV sin theta, or either flux has to change or turns has to rotate. So what Faraday's law states that whenever the flux cut by a conductor, an EMF will be induced. Whenever the flux cut by a conductor, here both are stationary means there will be no flux cut by conductor. In case of DC generator, conductor is rotating, means conductor or armature. Conductor is nothing but armature. In case of DC generator, armature is rotating. Rotor will be conductor. Rotor means it is a rotating part. Stator will be field. Stator will be field. Remember, field here it will be stationary. Conductor will be rotating. In case of AC generator, rotor. Rotor means here field will be rotating. Field means it is a just like a magnet. Field will be rotating. Flux are rotating. Stationary part means stator will be armature. Stator will be armature. Since the armature or conductor is stationary, we can generate huge amount of power. In case of DC generator, maximum voltage will be 500 volt. Here, in case of AC generator, we are now generating at 11 kV. At 11 kV. So this is 500. This is 11,000 volt. So we are now using AC generator. In AC generator, conductor is stationary, field is rotating. This is reverse in case of DC generator. So what is the question? If both are stationary means there will be no linkages, then there will be no EMF induced. Answer will be 0. This is based on the just Faraday's law. Just Faraday's law definition. Next, 8th one. Next, 8th one. What is the resistance of the heating element? What is the resistance of the heating element if an electric oven, if it is draw 2.2 amps, if it is draw 2.2 amps from 110 volt, from 110 volt. So Ohm's law is also a simple trick is there. V I R. V I R. If you want V, I and R in the same row. I into R. If you want I, close the I, then it will be V by R. If you want R, close the R, it will be V by I. So here we want R. R means it will be V by I. V will be 110 by 2.2. Whenever the decimal comes, you have to first remove the decimal. How to remove the decimal? Multiply numerator by 10 and denominator by 10. If you multiply numerator and denominator by the same value, then there will be not effect to the system. Then it will be 1100. Here it will be 22. 11 ones are 11 twos are 2 ones are 250s are. So answer will be 50 ohm. Resistance unit will be ohm. Answer will be 50 ohm. Answer will be 50 ohm. Next, 9th one. Next, 9th one. What is the frequency of an alternator? What is the frequency of an alternator? If A is equal to number of poles, if A is equal to number of poles, B is equal to revolution made per second. Revolution made per second, you have to find out the frequency. So options are AB Hertz, option B, AB by pi hertz, option C, AB by 2 hertz, option D, none of this. Option D, none of this. We know that Ns is equal to 120 F by P, where N is equal to RPM, revolution per minute. Revolution per minute. Ns means it is a synchronous speed. It is a synchronous speed. Ns is equal to 120 F by P. What is Ns? It is in minute. If you want to convert it into seconds, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So Ns into 60 is equal to 120 F by P. Now it is in RPS because they given B is in revolution per second. This 0 cancel, 6 ones are 6 2s are. If you want Ns, I can write it as a B is equal to 2F by poles, I can write it as a A. F is equal to A into B by 2 hertz. Answer will be A into B by 2 hertz. Answer will be A into B by 2 hertz. Next, 10th question. Which of the following is a true statement? A stator is a rotating part of a generator. A stator is a stationary part of a generator. A stator is a always remember, whenever the stator word comes means it will be stationary. Either it is AC or DC. Stator means stationary. Rotor means it will be rotating. There will be no difference in that. Stator means it will be a stationary. So answer will be option B. Stator is a stationary part of a generator. Stator means it will be a stationary part of a generator. Next, 11th one. Next, 11th one. Next, 11th one. How many coulombs of charge? How many coulombs of charge move through a filament? How many coulombs of charge move through a filament of 1.3 seconds if there is a 8 amps current through the filament? 8 amps current through the filament. We know that current can, what is the definition of current? Current is the continuous flow of electrons in a particular direction, or rate of change of charge. Means I is equal to rate of change of charge, Q by T. You want to calculate the Q. Q is equal to I into T. What is the value? I 8 into 1.3 means it will be into more than, it will be 10.4 coulombs. 10.4 coulombs. Option A 9.3. No. Option B 10.4. Option C 6.5. D none of these. So remember, this is also very important formula. I is equal to Q by T. Rate of change of charge. The basic definition. Next, 12th one. What is neutral atom? Okay. What do you mean by atom? What do you mean by atom? Atom means it is a smallest particle which we can't divide it. For example, you are watching video. You are watching video. It is a sentence. This whole thing I can tell it as a sentence. The sentences are made up of group of words. The sentences are made up of group of words. Words are made up of alphabets. Words are made up of alphabets. Alphabets we can't divide it. W if you divide, it will be V and V. This is the wrong method. Alphabet is the smallest element in the sentence. Smallest thing in the sentence. Similarly, if you compare anything, this paper, this board, this pen, these are all called as an element. These are all called as an element. Element is made up of, here it will be group of words, here it will be molecules. Here it will be molecules. So molecules are made up of atom. Atom is the smallest particle which we can't divide it. So we understand what is atom. Now the atom consists of, it will be center part where it will be protons and neutrons are there. If the positive charge will be proton, negative charge will be neutron. Together we call it as a nucleus. And in this orbit there will be electrons. The electrons are in the ratio 2n square. First orbit will be n is equal to 1. 1 square means first orbit will be 2. Second orbit 2 square means it will be 8. Third orbit 3 square 18. Like that it goes on. If proton is equal to electron, for this question, if proton is equal to electrons means positive is equal to negative, plus 5 minus 5, answer will be 0. It will be neutral. What is neutral atom? Protons is equal to neutron. If proton is greater than electron, it will be positive charge. If electron greater than proton, it will be negative charge. So for this answer, option A, an atom in which number of electrons is equal to the number of proton, so that the no net electric charge. And the valence electrons of semiconductor is equal to 4. If it is less than 4 means it will be conductor. If its valence electrons is greater than 4 means it will be insulator. Valence electron means last orbit electron. Next, 13th one. What is the unit of measurement of electrical conductance? So for this, I will tell few units. It will be very important. First, resistance. After resistance, reactance. After reactance, impedance. If they ask the unit of these three, resistance, reactance, impedance, unit will be ohm. Remember, for these three, unit will be ohm. 1 by resistance will be conductance. 1 by reactance will be susceptance. 1 by impedance will be admittance. For these three, unit will be 1 by ohm or mho, or standard unit will be Siemens. So, what is the unit of measurement of electrical conductance? The unit of measurement of electrical conductance will be Siemens. For these three, it will be Siemens, mho or 1 by ohm. 1 by ohm also right answer, but standard unit will be Siemens. Then resistance, there will be resistivity. Resistivity means what? For an unit cube, the resistance between edge to edge. For an unit cube, resistance between edge to edge we called as a resistivity. R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to R into A by L. Unit of resistance will be ohm. Area will be meter square. Length will be meter. This and this will get cancelled. Answer will be ohm meter. So remember, unit of resistivity will be ohm meter. Then 1 by resistivity is equal to conductivity. 1 by resistance conductance means 1 by resistivity will be conductivity. 1 by resistivity will be conductivity. Conductivity unit will be 1 by ohm meter, means 1 by ohm I can write it as Siemens per meter or mho per meter. So try to take a basic electrical book. In that they given all basic units. Basic units are very important. 1 mark will be from the unit section. They will ask 1 or 2 units. So next, 14th one. Which of the following can be used as a rheostat for low power application? 2-terminal variable resistor, 3-terminal potentiometer with 1-terminal unconnected. 1-terminal unconnected means it is also 2-terminal variable resistor. 3-terminal potentiometer with 1 terminal connected to wiper. Wiper is also do the variable resistance. So answer will be all of this, because all the 2 terminals devices and variable resistance. Answer will be all of the above. 15th one. What is the current in amperes when Coulomb is equal to 0.95 and time is equal to 5 seconds and time is equal to 5 seconds. I know that Q is equal to I into T. I is equal to Q by T. Q will be 0.95 by 5. 0.95 by 5. First remove the fraction. Here 100 divided by 100. It will be 95 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5 nines are. It will be 19 by 100 means 0.19. Answer will be B. 0.19 amps. 0.19 amps. Next, there is a small mistake in the question. That is not a millimeter. It is a multimeter. Which of the following can be measured by a multimeter? In multimeter we measured voltage, resistance, current, all of this. Answer will be all of this. Answer will be all of this. Next, 17th one. Next, 17th one. It was found that the current was 60 milliamps. It was found that current was 60 milliamp when the circuit with a particular resistance is connected to a 20 volt battery. What is the resistance here? R is equal to V by I. 20 by 60 milli. Milli goes to the numerator, it will be kilo. Means it will be 1 by 3 kilo. Okay, keep it like that. Current has to be dropped 30 milliamps after some time. 30 milliamperes after some time. How much voltage has to be changed? I2 is equal to 30 milliamps. The circuit resistance will not vary. V is equal to, it will be always constant. V is equal to I into R. I will be 30 milli into 1 by 3 into kilo. Kilo and milli will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 tens are. Voltage will be 10 volt. What is the question asked? How much voltage has changed? Initially 20. Now it is 10. Half of the voltage is, answer will be option A. 10 volt is varied. 10 volt is varied. Next, 18th one. Next, 18th one. What is the power consumed by a circuit? What is the power consumed by a circuit when a bulb of 60 watt and another of 120 watt are connected in series? Remember, if they not given any voltage means, if they not given any voltage or both voltage same means, series will be reverse of resistance. In series, what we do, resistance R1 is equal to R1 plus R2. Here 1 by P is equal to 1 by P1 into 1 by P2, or P is equal to P1 into P2 divided by P1 plus P2. They are connected in series, right? Okay. Next, P1 will be 60 into 120 divided by 180. Means 6 ones are 6 threes are 6 fours. Answer will be 40 watt. Answer will be 40 watt. Or if you go through the basic also, basic method also, okay, don't go for basic method because the ratings they not given. Next, in case of parallel, voltage is same, means P is equal to P1 plus P2. P is equal to P1 plus P2. Reverse of resistance in case of power. If voltage is same, if they given different volt means you have to calculate the first resistance and you have to complete the problem. If voltage is same, go for this shortcut method. Next, 19th one. Next, 19th one. What is the resistance of a? What is the resistance of a? What is the resistance of a? Length L is equal to 440 centimeter wire of 0.28 diameter, 0.28 centimeter diameter with a specific resistance of 0.56 ohm centimeter. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A. Area is equal to pi R square. If it is the resistance, if it is the radius, then the diameter D is equal to 2 times R, or R is equal to D by 2. R will be half of the diameter. So I can replace resistance, radius R D by 2 whole square. Now the area will become pi means 22 by 7. D means 0.28 into 0.28 divided by, it will be 4. 7 ones are okay, keep it as it is, because it will be 0.04 I think. Okay, keep it as it is. Substitute here. R is equal to rho will be 0.56. Length will be 440. Then here it will be 22 into 0.28 into 0.28. This will goes to the numerator. Will go to the numerator. Then 2 ones are 2 fours are, or 0.28 into 0.28 2 times. What is the value? Okay, 2 times will be 0.56. Ones are 0.2. Or sorry, it will be 2 times. It will be 2 times. Then 11 2s are 11 4s are. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are. Two ones are 2 fours are. Means here it will be 40 into 14 by 0.4. Means if you multiply numerator and denominator by 10, it will be 400 into 14 by 14. 14 it get cancelled. Answer will be 400. So answer here it will be none of these. Answer will be none of these. Calculation may be little bit confused, but try to your own method. Up to here there will be no problem. Answer will be 90%. Answer will be 400 ohm. Just cross check out once solve in Calc itself. All units should be same. Here also centimeter, here also centimeter, here also centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, area also centimeter square. Then only this centimeter into this centimeter, all the units will get cancelled. Next, 28th. Three resistors equal resistance connected in series. So 3 equal resistance are connected in series. across a power source together dissipate 15 watt. Together dissipate 15 watt. What I told? It is like a parallel power. They were not given a different voltage, means it's like a reverse of resistance. Here same resistance means it will be P by 3 is equal to 15. Then take it as a P1. P1 is equal to 45. It is also produced 45 watt. It is also produced 45 watt. It is also produced 45 watt. What would be the power dissipated when the same resistors are connected in parallel? If the same resistors are connected in parallel, R, we know that here 45 watt, here 45 watt, here 45 watt. It will be P plus P plus P. It will be 3P. 3P means 3 into 45. It will be 135 watt. Answer, it will be 135 watt. Okay, in next video I will solve another few questions. Up to 20 now I completed.